Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my video resume. My name is Redwan Ahmed and my nickname is also Redwan. I am a student at Daffodil International University in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. One of the best and most beautiful private university in our country. The university boasts an advanced and smart education system. It provides high configuration laptops, which is DCL laptops, to every student, making our career path easier navigate. I am at my 4th semester and I am currently in my 5th semester. My hometown is in Bhaluka, Mymensingh. I have one younger sister. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. Currently, I am staying in Uttara without my family. I completed my SSC from Sonar Bangla High School and College with a GPA of 5 out of 5, and I completed my HSC from Syed Nazrul Islam College with a GPA of 5 out of 5. My hobbies include playing cricket and traveling. I am an expert in MS Office. As a CSE student, I am passionate about web development and have a strong interest in programming languages. In 5 years, I aspire to be a skilled and successful software engineer, as well as a good human being. I also plan to go abroad to complete my MSc. Thank you for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.